All right, we're recording now. So James and Corbett here, we're getting ready to go out.
And it's cold as shit.
And it's cold. It's really cold.
Well, shit ain't
Tell
really
them
cold.
what we're gonna do.
Shit really ain't cold though, is it? Okay, it's colder than a witch's titty and a brass bra. Anyway, we're out here at Kanawha State Forest at one of the old CCC camps. I don't know nothing about them. James does, but apparently there was an old homestead out here because get my truck wind out of the way. There we go. There's a cemetery, well, a couple of headstones over there. I don't even remember. We took the Boy Scouts up here, but I don't remember what those headstones were. We can go over here in a minute and check it out. The wind will blow the camera off the truck. Recording still? Yeah, but it's still recording. That damn wind's blowing it. Let me get my shit out of here and the top bouncing around.
All right, folks. Anyways, really windy day today. And so Corbett's getting ready, kind of showing you the process. So we're going to be looking for stuff from the Depression era and for anything that may be remaining of the house site. So, as we get rigged up, we'll come back and we'll let you know. Keep watching on Digging History.